Hello, I'm Frank Alonso, and in this lesson we are going to talk about distortion, how to avoid it, or how to use it in a creative way in your productions. Let's go.
We are going to talk about the definition, where it's produced, the distortion, and some musical use of it. A linear device is one in which the output is just the input multiplied by a number. Distortion is any modification of the signal which is nonlinear. The effects of distortion is that the waveform shape is changed and overtones are added to the signal. Distortion is produced by overloading an amplification stage. Can also be produced by digital overloading, and also there is a crossover distortion which some amplifiers make in the cross 0 point.
The first type of distortion is when you override a preamplifier or an amplifier. The guitar signal is not distorting. If we amplify more, we get already distortion. We can say this is analog distortion, or distortion produced in the amplifiers, analog amplifiers.
Another type of distortion we can get is digital distortion. This is when you overload a digital stage. This can be in the middle of the process. Maybe this guitar is not overloading, is but as we process it and we, for example, include some equalization, then I can get distortion. This could be digital distortion because it's in the domain of it's overloading the maximum word of the processor. One musical use of distortion is the distortion produced by the vacuum tubes, which are useful in guitar playing, which provides a smooth clip. It's not a hard clip, it's a smooth clip, which makes the signal to have more non-harmonics. I mean, the third, the seventh, the fifth harmonics. Now we are going to use a tube amplifier simulator to try to reproduce the distortion characteristics of a tube amp. This is in the clean mode. Now it's the crunch mode. And then the lead mode, which is even more. As a reflection, we can say that in any amplification stage, we can get distortion if we overload it. Most amplifiers have a linear operation area where no distortion is produced. But we can also use distortion creatively to broaden the sound, adding harmonics to the signal and changing the color of the sound. Bye bye.